If you're not taking care in making sure your photo's straight, then how much care are you going to take about them? You really need to think about what those messages are you're saying with your photos.
Today, we are going to be talking to Tyann Marsnick. Now, Tyann, for anybody that has followed her on social media, you'll know that she does such amazing work. She's a Touch Day ambassador. She is a legend when it comes to all things photography.
I'm Tyann Marsnick, and I started in the vacation rental or holiday rental industry way back 2007.
So what's the biggest mistake that you see other short stay accommodation owners make when taking photos of their properties?
So the biggest mistake is composition and the angle that people are taking them. The big thing is your photos are conveying subconscious type of messages to your guest.
When you're personally laying out your first 5-6 pictures for your properties, how do you go about it? How do you sort of structure it?
So my first photo is always the hero photo. That is the photo that if you don't nail it, they're not even going to click and see the rest.
What are some of the key questions that they should be asking to make sure that they're getting the right person for the job?
So the key questions: one, can I see your portfolio? And you want to look at that portfolio very well. Have they actually done a holiday rental or vacation rental? Because there is a difference between real estate pictures and newborn pictures and holiday rentals pictures or wedding pictures. My one big tip is to actually tell your guests that you take direct booking, because if they don't know, they're not going to do it.